Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can sell Spore Finance coin on Trust Wallet via a pancake swap. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first what you need to do here is to, of course, go to a Trust Wallet itself, and you should see similar window to this. And then you need to go to browser. On the bottom, as you can see here, there is 4 little squares, and the browser, basically title, you need to press that. And if you don't see browser on the menu, probably you're using iPhone, so you need to go to Safari, put this code browser enable, and then press go, and the browser option will appear. And then under the popular, you need to look for, as you can see here, pancake swap. Make sure you are connected to a wallet on the top right corner, Trust Wallet. Make sure you are on exchange, and then we need to get a Spore Finance contract ID. So you need to go back on Explorer, go to coinmarketcap.com, and then select on the search bar, look for Spore Finance, and then on the contract, as you can see here, there's Binance Smart Chain. Just copy this address, go back on Trust Wallet, press select currency, paste that code here, select Spore, and then as you can see here, there is in the middle arrow, and now you can basically sell your Spore Finance coin to a Binance Smart Chain by putting the amount here. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.